Kinongilam kador barsnong Nongpoh, lembat kasang samlash nong Nongpoh mentakasni kat artrik nailur, kira lej bani kendu i officer in charge nong Nongpoh police station, banyak keren halor ke jinjel lagi kam Sniew nadu katu katim, bat ke Jingnang pur drok aka imlang kasalang, kamtam hapok kasor Nongpoh, bat ke jinjia sya kendang kidukan kibla aja kini kesni kibla lej. Hakani ke jinglek kendu i officer in charge nong Nongpoh police station la yalam dau ba Silverstar mensong kumurang ba shnong, usamla Anthony Suchang sekretari shnong, lembat kidukot jong kador barsnong bat kasang samlash nong Nongpoh.
Boleh sebut dia pi barak kita seram nang ni kepor ni nak kalian dah dormar senang Nongpoh proper ni wan hang ni apa Nongpoh police station bani kendu dia orsi yang armarat ha kebangi layo bani keren sepang lai teli di kam di kam hang ni apa Nongpoh proper jongi di nangkong ni lah dia bani keren ha kebede bagi night patrolling ha kebangi bu yakini di nam Phah or Miet namar ke meja ke jing satu dia kidukan agini di lai dong sen target update di bahasa zaman la kapor kini di naik ke dep di wilayo ke jing kersan ai osi ba un ai ka jing yaram antaban patrolling antam bede bede surba nang ta kabar wilayo ni keren ru abdi de kali tibala pen sange la peniang huntai la slemba dena kali yang yo siru ila ular ban ai ke jingarap bala nong yo ni keren ba SP atau ba mi misale itu benam bat kabalai abdi de kene ke jing jaklia kanyut kanyer ke jing bread jung ni ti nong snong ke nong bukan di bade ni apa surok ya kini nomor bagador barsenong terus pendu no ya kini di dustbin nomor bah kalong ke isi penpek tam ke de ada main road ya nomor kata ni laburu ke jing penpek lang rengkat dari osi ke de bagane ka jingkit ya kini kinyut kinyar ke bade nagiyin ke kali senong kan sawan arsin siteo hakane ke compound bandum ya kinyut kinyar ke bami nagiyin lisan ke bisong kuatar ni kini lightly di bang ya iyo bagi keren ni lah iyo ha kini keren tu ya biang ha bagi si bala ai kloy ini ban ai ke jirap kamtam me bede ni ko dormat snong Nongpoh proper please.
Good afternoon everyone. I'm thankful that Dormat Snong has have come to meet me here. Actually, regarding your concern about the crime on the road and in Nongpoh area, this is our concern as well. We are also concerned about this rise in crime. So regarding this, we have taken some steps like we have started our foot patrollings at night, whole night. There will be a party who will be patrolling the whole Nongpoh town till the DC office, all these areas, and we have night mobile patrolling on the highway as well as on the town areas. They will be on the move at night. Like our patrolling party, we have evening patrolling and whole night again other patrolling. Besides our police station patrolling, we have this traffic branch also. They will also go for night mobile patrolling. So these are the preventive measures that we are taking to prevent all the crimes that is happening in our area. Another thing I want to inform you that on the night of 10th, we have apprehended some of the highway robbers. They are already in judicial custody. And then last night, again, we have another 3 highway robbers have been arrested. And now we are going to forward them to court. So these are the steps that we are taking to prevent crime in our area. Another thing that regarding the vehicles kept on the service lane, I have to discuss with my seniors, with DSP Traffic and SP Sir, and I'll let you know what steps we can take to make convenient for the general public. Then another last issue that we have discussed is that regarding the waste collection and all. I'll intimate all the staff quarters who are staying in the quarter that the arrangement that you have made for the disposal of waste. Like twice a week, vehicle will come and to collect the waste, and there will be some minimal charges for the vehicles maintenance or what can you say, the maintenance and all the for the otherwise that's what I have to say. And then I wish another important thing I want to say, like whenever any problem is there, it's not necessary to know the contact number of that concerned OC or IC. We just have to one just have to dial 112 number. That is our police emergency number. So from anywhere that number can be dialed and get immediate assistance. And this I want to make known to other people also. So in this regard, I am planning to call the headman of Nongpoh Police Station jurisdiction. I'll be calling them shortly and then to discuss other matters also. We'll have a meeting on that. All of you will be intimated on this. Thank you very much.